Hello and welcome. We are here to help you unpack and get started with Havells' great new InstaCook ET Induction Cooker in these easy to follow steps. Watch on to know how best to use its array of cool features. Just flip the box open and have a look inside. Right on top inside the box, you will find the user manual. It includes in detail the basic instructions and precautions you need to bear in mind while using the InstaCook ET. Make sure you read through it carefully. And right beneath that will be your all-new InstaCook ET. It also has a free kadai inside, and now that's what I call a great deal. Carefully unwrap the protective packaging and appreciate its sleek and stylish design. There is also the option of a variety of temperature and timer settings to give you umpteen choices for the kind of cooking you want to do on your InstaCook ET. In fact, the InstaCook ET encourages your inner chef to come out with a clever 7 auto-cook menu. It's time to get that apron out. Specially designed display panel for Indian cuisines. But for InstaCook ET, like Havells in general, safety is always a high priority. This is why the InstaCook ET also has fail-safe capabilities like auto pan detection and auto power off, which ensures safe operation. The InstaCook ET even has a provision to automatically switch off at very high temperatures, which helps it perform reliably and securely. The maximum power consumption of the InstaCook ET is a highly efficient 1900 watt, which comes equipped with a 15 ampere 3-pin plug top. The InstaCook ET saves energy and is hence low on cost. Apart from Havells' inherent superior quality and the peace of mind that comes with it, the InstaCook ET is also covered by 2-year warranty on elements and buttons. The InstaCook ET is Havells' little gift to your kitchen and that part of you that always enjoyed cooking but hated the hassles. Try out the difference today.